Yo, what's going on, guys? Man, we out here today. About to get a little bit of cleaning done on Breion's Vekta. So, look, I couldn't put that thing back together on that beautiful chassis looking like this. I mean, it ain't bad, but it just ain't my style, Here it is, Vekta. We're gonna do a little quick cleaning on it. Like I said, you can see the day is all dreary and nasty out here. But we're gonna do a quick cleaning on it, nothing serious. Now, I'm gonna tell you, I remember when I first started cleaning these joints, I used to be scared of getting the RC wet and you know, scared things gonna rust up. But as you can see, it's got a little bit of rust already on here, truthfully. That's because he didn't put some silicone on it and WD-40 afterwards. It really ain't that difficult to do this. Spray it down, hit it with the brush, and you're done. Get done, clean it with some, hit it with some WD-40, let it sit, blow it off, hit it with some silicone, done. Really not that difficult with this, man. Like I said, I used to be scared as I don't know what about getting these things wet, thinking everything gonna rust over and everything. It don't, man. Clean your RCs, guys. Clean these cars, man. You know, you bash with them, blow them off every time after you bash, and then take it out and you know, and like every so often you can hit it with the foaming crystals or good old simple green, man. You know what I mean? It doesn't take much. Like I said, spray it off and then hit it with the a good paintbrush or something. Get all of them cracks and crevices and then hit it with some water. It's not difficult, guys. Keep these cars clean, man. Spend a lot of money for your RCs to have them looking filthy. And then gonna buy new parts and want me to put them on with it looking like a mess. Not me, baby. I'm not putting together no car on my lab table with brand new chassis and stuff until RC with a dirty car. There's no way I'm doing it. Sorry. Get this water for this thing, get this thing done real quick. Straight out the hose, baby. Like I said, take off your electronics if you're gonna do this. It's only a few bolts to take the electronics off, so I take it off. That's up to you though. When you're doing a real drencher like this. Over there on the floor. I'll get that in a second. See that bearing over there? I gotta pick that up. It's hard to do this with one hand, but I gotta show you guys, man. Clean these RCs off, bro. We got it all washed off, all pieces. We'll hit it with some air real quick. I got my X1, X Power, little dryer I use. Figured this out. I found this out from Raj 111. You know what I mean? So it's been working flawless. All right, so now we're gonna hit it with some WD-40, spray it over everything. Even the stuff that I'm changing is all getting WD-40 on it. WD-40 is a water repellent. It's not a lubricant. I wouldn't use it as a lubricant, but it is a water repellent. And will, stop thing from rusting over. All right, so while we got that WD-40 sitting, like I said, we'll let that sit for about 10-15 minutes. If it was summertime, I would let that joint bake in the sun. You know, let all that oil get up in there in the sun. But since it's about 50 degrees outside today, we're gonna hit this off, and then we'll let that sit for about 10-15 minutes. And this is foaming crystals here. Real easy. Spray it down. Don't look twice. Break out the brush. Just hit it off. Let that sit for a couple seconds. Now let's get this WD-40 off here. Just a quick once over. Like I said, you ain't gotta be real in depth and try to get every little piece out, but just do it once over, and I'm gonna spray this whole thing down with some silicone. All right, so now it's all blown off. Like I said, just because it may have a little bit of residue, and that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. But that was a WD-40 bath. Blew that off. Now we're gonna go out here and get the silicone, do a little silicone bath. So there's some silicone here. I just use Blaster because they got it at my Home Depot, and it's, like I said, it's done me well. I never get any rust on any of my screw bolts. None of my shock shafts, nothing ever rusts over on me. So like I said, I'm gonna keep doing what I do, you know what I mean? So like I said, this, real simple, spray it over everything. Good coat, nice generous coating over everything. Bearings, arms, tie rods, gears. And like I said, we'll take the gears and we're gonna put some, when we transfer them over into the new transmission, we're gonna take the gears and we're gonna put some good dry lube on those also. But this silicone, you're gonna spray this on everything. And like I said, generous. Doesn't hurt anything. And we'll let this sit for about 15 minutes or so. And then we'll blow that off. And then we're ready to put the thing back together. So we'll let that sit for 15 minutes, man. And we had this thing looking brand new. All right, guys, man, we are back in here. We got everything all fresh, and we are ready for the rebuild. Look at this. Got all these nice, beautiful parts, cleaned and ready to go on this beautiful chassis. Like I said, we'll be doing this part last, but we got it, baby. We ready. All right, so I will catch you guys on the next one. Out.